In this video, I'll be installing a wig from Nadula Hair. The wig that I received is a HD 13x4 body wave wig. For this install, I'll be styling the hair with the middle part and some big loose curls. So the first step before any install, I make a dotted line to know where I'm going to apply the glue. When I'm making the dotted line, I sometimes go a shade lighter than my client's skin complexion so it'll be easier to see on my client's skin. When you're applying the lace into the glue, you want to make sure that you stretch the lace as much as you can so it won't have any rolls in it. As you guys can see, the lace isn't completely melted yet and it's already super thin and blends very well with my client's skin complexion. After I finish cutting off the lace that isn't needed, I then place a thin layer of glue on top to seal the lace. For the sideburn edge, I always end up taking out more hair than what is needed to get the shape that I want. So for right here, you see me plucking the edge to make it as thin as the first baby hair. After I cut out all the lace and did all the baby hairs how I wanted them, I placed some even spray across the hairline and tied it down for a couple minutes. Now I'm styling the baby hairs how I want them with Got To Be Glue Gel and Cream of Nature Mousse. While the baby hairs are left to dry, I'm going to start curling the hair with my wand curler. Whenever I'm curling hair, I always curl in the direction that is away from my client's face. When I was finished curling the entire head, I pulled out all the curls that are on the frontal to hot comb the hairline properly. To make the part sharper, I use a Sharpie and I color in all the over bleach parts. After I do that, I then use an angled brush and the makeup closest to my client's skin complexion to outline the part. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Continue watching for more clips of the finished look.